Monday morning traffic next to Nairobi National. What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we are heading to town, man. If you didn't see the last video, which is Goodbye Kitengela, you need to go back and watch it. So guys, I left Kitengela and I've explained in that video. And now we are heading to town, man. New assignments, new things. Let's go. Record mbele kwani uelewi. Sinaonyesha wase kwenye tunaenda. Kwani shati. Oh man, guys, today I wasn't able to vlog. I wasn't able to give you some nice content like I promised. But trust me, the content is coming soon, man. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, man. Subscribe, man. Subscribe.